Hi guys, bonjour mes amis, I'm Booger, welcome aboard. We're gonna do some fried deviled eggs. You're gonna be blown away. I've already done this. I did this in the Actifry a few years ago when I had the Actifry. I had a Actifry before I had the DeLonghi, but I've never tried it in the DeLonghi, so we'll try it. It'll work in any air fryer. All my recipes work with whatever, even an oven. Imagine that. So I'm going to start with cooking some bacon in there. I was thinking ranch, bacon ranch. You'll see in the title, of course. It's what I got in the fridge. That's what I do. So let's boil some eggs. Get your eggs ready, and I'll show you what to do. Guys, ready? Chin chin. Okay, guys. So we're going to start with frying some bacon. Sorry. I got the rack in there. It's 2 pieces. I've got a link in the description if you're interested. It's 2 separate pieces, but it works really well in the DeLonghi air fryer. I've got the eggs boiling, and I'm going to show you how I peel them really quick. It's not nothing fancy, but just it's a spoon method, I call it. But I've got them. I'm going to have them sitting on paper towels so they dry out. So you want your eggs to really be no moisture on them, okay? Okay, so the rule is bottom on, top on. I'm going to fry this till the bacon's done, so it's probably going to be, it's not going to take very long. Just check it. I'll let you know. But I'm going to pull all this out when it's done and leave the grease in there because that's what I'm going to fry my eggs in, okay? So we'll be back. Alright, so while the bacon's cooking, I'm going to split these eggs up. You can see some are pretty rough looking. It's fresh eggs. They're yesterday and today's eggs, so it's a little harder to peel. But just take your egg. I'm a professional, so don't worry about this. And take your yolks out. So let's do that. We'll be right back. Okay, so I got my yolks in there. Here's what I do. I take a large fork and I hit it with the corner of the fork. I don't mash it down. That way I get like really fine granules. Is that what it's called? So it takes a little bit, but trust me, you gotta do it till it turns to like a fine powder. All right. So let me do this, and I'll be back, guys. So we did that. And the bacon's cooked, and I mushed it up in my mini processor. It took about probably 5 minutes. So there it is. I got the grease in the bottom of the pan. We're good to go. Okay, so I make my own ranch dressing. I get this at Sam's Club for like $5-6. You take 3 tablespoons of that, cup of milk, cup of mayonnaise, and then you got yourself some ranch dressing. It's the same as the envelopes. It's just a bigger container. Okay. So here's the ranch. I probably have, 1/4 cup, let's say. Put that in there. My bacon bits. Every single little crevice of it, because bacon's good. Let me mix this up. Be right back. Okay, another trick. Yeah, just full of tricks today, aren't I? This is a gallon bag. You got the pointy side here. Stick that in the cup like that. Open it up. Like so. And shove that stuff in there. Okay. So I'm going to finish this. And I'm going to put this in the fridge while we do the eggs. We'll be right back. Alright, so we got the 3-0 here. I got some pepper. Thank you, Lyle from No Hippie BBQ. I won this on his channel. He has giveaways. You guys need to go check him out, and we'll put a link to his channel. And he also has an Actifry, which I used to have. Okay, some salt. So I'm going to get the one that lights up for salt, too. Believe that. Okay, here I have 3 egg whites and 1 egg. So it's mostly egg whites and then a regular egg. And over there, I've got probably a cup of Panko breadcrumbs, and I shredded some parmesan, about 1/2 cup. So I'm gonna mix these things up, and then I'll show you what to do. So grab your egg white, go in flour. I have done these in the Actifry, which is just regular deviled eggs. So I'll put a link to that if you're interested. And then you go in the egg. I just tilt the pan a little bit. Get the egg all soaked, and then with my dry hand get into the panko. mixture. Gotta be gentle because the egg white's really sensitive. Okay. So there you go. So remember, I got bacon grease in the bottom of the pan. So if you're not doing bacon, just spray some olive oil. I've done that too. So let me finish this and I'll change the angle. Hey, so that fit perfectly. I didn't plan that, but it fit perfectly. So we're gonna turn the bottom on, of course. And the top one, I'm gonna start at 3 just to begin with because I don't want them to get really dark brown. So we're gonna cook them slow to begin with, and then I'm gonna switch it up to a 4 at the end. But for now, let's do 3, which is 300. And I'll let you know how long that is, okay? So we'll be back. All right, guys, we're 5 minutes in. They're starting to look good. I'm gonna spray it with some coconut oil, okay? It's a very light mist, so it's not like overpowering. See how light that is? That's so nice. And that's all I want right there. So let me bump it up to a 4, and we'll do this for another 5 minutes. So 5 on 3, spray, 5 on 4. So there they are. I just put like some spinach leaves and grape tomatoes, and that's ranch dressing that I use. So here's your bag. And then you just cut a corner off it like this. Can you see? Okay. And I'm going to fill the eggs up like so. Okay. So let me finish that. And maybe Tom will taste. We'll be back. Okay, guys. Perfect timing. Tom just got home from work. Ready to try it?
Yep.
I just put some spinach leaves and tomatoes and that ranch dressing. I think I already said that. Who cares? Let's try one. Ready?
Yep. Cheers.
Cheers.
I want to tell you, these are wonderful. Everyone should make these. Deviled eggs aren't the same anymore since my wife's been making these.
Mmm. Bacon. Mmm.
Mmm.
Isn't that nice to have a little crunch on the outside of that?
It's awesome.
It is beautiful.
Mmm.
All right, guys. Give it a shot.
Yep. Thanks, babe.
All right.
I don't know what you were going to have, but these are mine.
All right. Thanks for shopping. Bye.